This is Anu and welcome back to Treasury Crafts. Hope everyone is staying safe in your home. Today I'm going to show you how to make 3 beautiful frog musicians with Surf Excel bottle caps and clay. Let's start. I'm using Surf Excel bottle cap and Fevicryl molded clay. It costs about 20 rupees and this will be available in 2 parts. Take equal amount, mix it well until it becomes white. Do watch my video without skipping so that you will not miss any important steps. Let's make head part. Roll it with your palm like this to get this shape. And with your fingers, roll it at the edges to achieve head shape. Detergent cap is going to be the frog's body and stick the head part with Fevicol to the base. Let's make eye sockets. Make a tiny ball, flat it, and using brush, make the eye socket. Do subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon to get new updates. I wish to hear all your comments and feedback, so leave your comments in the comment box. Let's make eyes. Simply roll 2 tiny balls and stick it to the eye sockets. For lips, roll a small amount of clay and stick it. Make 2 holes with any sharp objects so that the frog can breathe. Make head part for all the 3 pieces. Cover a toothpick or a stick with some amount of clay for a musical instrument. As frog has webbed feet, so make that like this. Frog's body is made of plastic as it is not a porous material, so I'm gonna cover it with a tissue paper. Or you can use newspaper to cover it off. Instead of Surf Excel bottle cap, you can use similar detergent caps, or you can use any coconut oil bottle or talcum powder bottle or syrup bottle and cut it to the similar size, and you can use it instead. Do this for other 2 pieces and allow it to dry. I'm using light green for body and dark metallic green color for head and other parts. It is little a time consuming process, but you will really love the results. I'm taking yellow and dark blue color to paint the eyes. Yellow for the eye sockets and dark blue color for the eyeballs. You can use any color you wish, but use contrast color for the eyes. And red color for the lips. Let's make legs. Roll the clay and make a loop like this to make legs. Frog musicians will be in sitting position, so make legs accordingly. Need to make 6 pieces of webbed feet. Now it's time to make musical instruments. Roughly draw a guitar on the cardboard, cut it using thermocol cutter or precision knife and cover it with the masking tape. I got this from medical shop, or you can use newspaper to cover off the edges. I am going to make 3 sets of instruments, a guitar, a drum and a shaking instrument. Take a piece of ice cream stick and stick it to the back of the guitar, or you can use cardboard instead. For shaking instrument, take a toothpick covered with clay, cut into 2 pieces. Take some clay, roll it and stick it to the pieces, or you can use beads instead. As I said before, I'm going to make 3 sets of instruments, and now let's make drums. For that you will need a bottle's cap and cut a toothpick into 2 pieces. Cover the bottle cap with masking tape or a newspaper, and for the sticks, I'm going to stick 2 beads at the ends. Use super glue or glue gun to stick. Paint all the instruments with black color and let it dry. Meanwhile, let's stick webbed feet to the frog. I'm lightly touching up frog's body with metallic green color to highlight it. This step is optional and it is not necessary. Paint the legs with metallic green color and allow it to dry. You can even use normal green color. To highlight the instruments, I am using copper metallic color. Take a sponge, apply lightly to the instruments. Let it dry for 2 to 5 minutes. Now it's time to assemble the instruments to the frog musicians. Use super glue or glue gun to stick. You can use Fevicol, but it takes long time to stick. Last and final step is to make hands. Take some clay, roll it. Make the ends flat. With pins, make fingers and stick it to the frog's body using Fevicol. I'm showing once again. To make hands, roll it, make the ends flat. Using any pins, make fingers. Start sticking another hand to the back side of the guitar to hold the top portion. For the third piece, do the same thing you did for first one. Let the clay dry completely and then paint it. Paint carefully, and this clay takes about 60 to 90 minutes to completely dry. 3 cute frog musicians are ready. You can use this as a showpiece. If you like this craft, please hit like button, share it with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Bye bye.